In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Gemini account. Now, I was unable to get this to work on the mobile app, so you may have to do this on the desktop. It could just be a me problem. Alright, so here we are in the web browser version, and what we're going to do is we're going to the top right and we're going to click on transfer. Then we want to click on deposit cash, and now we need to select our currency. So you have a whole list of options. We'll just use USD. And then you'll see we need to add our payment method. So we can just click on that. And now you have options of either adding your debit card or you can add your bank account. Notice there are limitations on what you can do with each and certain wait periods with each. Debit card is the best way to go though. So once you're done adding your card, you'll be brought back here and you'll be able to put in the amount of USD you want to deposit or whatever currency. And when you're done there, you'll be given a review. And if you're happy with the information in the review, just hit complete. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.